Namaskar and hello. Welcome to Sridevi Classes YouTube channel where we inculcate interest in technical subjects by right understanding and clarity of concept. Today in our playlist Electric Power System, we'll study challenges and practical problems of wind power generation and also understand opportunities and solutions available to us through wind power utilization. Let's start. Global energy demand or primary energy consumption in terms of oil equivalent is increasing at a fast rate of 4.5% per annum, and this increase is due to increase of global population, urbanization, industrialization and change in our living styles. Rise of conventional fossil fuels, oil, natural gas and coal in this consumption is a great concern to modern civilization. These fossil fuels are not only limited and probably won't remain available with the same amount in future. There is a serious problem of environment pollution and carbon emission by these fossil fuel consumptions, and greenhouse effect, acid rains, global warming are different environmental issues. All are related to fossil fuel consumptions. Concerns of global warming and climate change require higher utilization of clean, green and environment friendly renewable energy sources like wind power or solar photovoltaic, and this will definitely reduce carbon emission and environment pollution to maintain sustainable development with increased energy consumption as demanded by this modern urban and industrialized world. In these days, share of renewable solar and wind power is increasing in total generation. These solar and wind renewable energy is growing 3 times faster than fossil fuels. Despite growing fast, renewable energy only account for 29% of demand growth. It means demand is growing much faster than the growth of renewable energy production. Presently in year 2020, wind energy shown by green highlight and solar energy shown by yellow highlight respectively supplies over 4% and 3% of global consumption, but definitely share of wind energy and solar energy will increase in future. On an average, entire earth receives 10^14 kilowatt of power per hour from sun, and a sizable 1.5% of this energy is converted into wind energy. Now the differential heating of earth's surface and sea conditions and atmosphere induce vertical and horizontal air currents, and these air currents are also affected by rotation of earth, the land contours and possible closeness of sea surface and land conditions. And on earth during solar radiations, breeze will flow from land to sea on top of atmosphere and from sea to land near surface, and vice versa takes place in night conditions. Now these wind movement got sufficient kinetic energy which at suitable selected positions is plentiful and readily available to harness electrical energy, and this natural resource will not deplete with time or consumption. Wind is a site-specific, diffuse and distributed energy source. Wind energy cannot be contained or stored for use elsewhere or at another time, but definitely wind energy is a viable renewable source of energy which when harnessed won't produce any pollution of air or water. Wind energy means less smoke, less acid rain, fewer greenhouse gas emission and conservation of water. Wind blow day as well as in night, which allow these wind turbines and wind farms to produce electricity throughout the day. Of course, during daytime in solar radiations, they produce little more power than in night conditions, but definitely wind energy is unpredictable, variable and not firm power, and its magnitude vary from place to place, and even in the same place it varies from season to season and from moment to moment in a single day. With improved R&D, new material, advanced technologies, giant manufacturing and fabrication setup, and development of transportation and logistics. We can set up wind turbine generation quickly and cheaply compared to building a new coal-fired thermal power plant or a hydroelectric facility. Modern wind generating equipments with advanced aerodynamics, electronic control, and double-phase induction generator are more efficient, highly reliable, and are becoming economic and better in performance. These wind energy generation systems have lower operating cost and they have no fuel or water consumption. Environmental impact of large wind turbine mounted on tall towers is negligible on ground, and up to 90 and 95% land of wind turbine farm can also be used for other profitable activities including animal husbandry, farming or forestry. So we can certify that wind energy contribute to sustainable development as it is a renewable source of energy which is inexhaustible. Wind energy harness doesn't create any sort of environment pollution, and it can definitely mitigate the problem of climate change caused by fossil fuel consumption. Increased share of wind energy in total energy consumption definitely reduce use of other fossil fuels and will definitely improve energy security of present generation as well as of future generation. And as other energies, wind energy also create wealth in human civilization, create local and surrounding employment, and help in economic and industrial development. India stands in the list of top 5 countries of world in wind electricity generation. China at top position have 29% share of total world wind electricity generation. The USA share is 21%. And these two together hold 50% of world share. Germany share is just 8% and both UK and India stands at 5% position. In China and USA in year 2020, total installed capacity of wind energy is respectively 160 gigawatt and 110 gigawatt, and that cater around 10% of their annual end use energy consumption. Investor friendly policies and regulation adopted by Government of India and several states of India have resulted in effective commercialization of wind power sector in several states of India. The various incentives given by central and state government includes 100% foreign direct investment in these wind power projects, assistance and support to private sector investment for wind power generation. Government of India has provided various fiscal and financial incentives such as accelerated depreciation benefit, concessional custom duties on wind turbine generation components, and most significantly, generation based incentives to various wind power producers. Government has set several mega wind farms, provided subsidized land and other resources to wind power promoters. Government of India also provide technical support for wind resource assessment. They have identified suitable potential sites for wind generation. Government also ensure availability of technical and skilled manpower for wind projects by various skill training programs. State and central government has created dedicated power transmission lines to facilitate interstate sale of wind power, and for these power transmission, interstate transmission charges and losses of transmissions have been also waived off for both wind projects as well as for solar projects, so that one can establish wind or solar power projects far away from consumer load positions and transfer generated electricity through these transmission lines. India have a total wind installed capacity in the end of year 2020 of around 40 gigawatt, which is fourth highest after China, USA and Germany. And with this installed capacity, India has generated around 60 billion units of electricity during calendar year 2020 and 21. In India, states Tamil Nadu and Gujarat top the list in wind power installation and energy generation, and their share is respectively 25% and 20% of total India share. Apart from these two coastal coastal states. Other coastal states, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Andhra are favorable states for wind power generation, and the share of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Rajasthan is almost identical, 13% of total India installed capacity. Commercial viability of wind power projects is gradually increasing due to technological advancement in electronic converters, aerodynamics of turbine blades, and development of new material, new technology, and better infrastructure. Now, this has resulted in improved performance and durability of wind turbine generation as well as cost reduction in installation and operation. Modern wind turbine generation use sophisticated computer softwares and programmable capabilities for automation and remote control of all wind and grid parameter and different operational conditions. Presently, cost of installation for large wind power station is slightly more than conventional thermal power plant, and average price for large modern wind turbine generation having utility size 2 to 3 megawatt with installation is 7 lakhs per kilowatt of electric power capacity, and out of this total installation cost, major 58% share goes to turbine system, which include tower, rotor blades on hub, nacelle and hub assembly, which include gearbox, generator, power control and various control, automation and other facilities. A significant cost includes foundation part, as huge amount of steel, concrete is used in strong rigid foundation for tall, gigantic, heavy turbine operation. A good wind installation practice require careful planning, and transportation, logistic and erection take considerable 15% amount of total cost, and for grid connectivity, transmission line, cable and other connections, it will include 10% of total cost. Wind turbine system doesn't consume any fuel during operation and energy production, but they have significant maintenance cost, and that maintenance cost for a new turbine system is around 2% of original installation cost per year. Now, presently, these leveled average price for wind turbine generation is slightly higher than installation of new thermal power plant, but definitely with improved technology of wind turbine systems and growth in installations, projected future cost of these wind turbine definitely become competitive with other conventional thermal power plants, and other environmental advantages of wind power generation definitely increase growth of wind turbine generation in total electricity production. Lots of developments have taken place in wind turbine generation technology. Now the unit size of single wind turbine machine has gone up to 3 megawatt, and Government of India has an ambitious plan to repower old small 250 kilowatt or less amount of power wind turbine generation with new large size 2 to 3 megawatt wind turbine generation, and this will definitely ensure better utilization of high altitude wind energy density with larger blade sweep area. Now these large size wind turbine generator definitely provide an cutting edge and attractive commercial viability for investment in comparison to earlier lower power size wind turbines, as they have lower planning, installation and land requirement per megawatt of electric power output. Wind turbine generation also have some negative effect on environment. Modern wind turbine can be huge gigantic large machine, and they can definitely change visual effect and landscape of wind farm. Many people doesn't like sound that wind turbine blade makes when they turn in the wind. Many a times these wind turbine forms cause death to birds and bats of local habitants. There also exist several and very significant technical problems with wind energy generation, as wind energy resource vary time to time and variations are hourly as well as seasonally, and that variation is not very friendly for stability of power grid. Wind energy is very erratic and infirm in nature, and wind energy generation can vary considerably even a single day depending upon blow of of wind speed, and this variation in most modern double fed induction generator is also causing troublesome variation in real and reactive power needs and grid connectivity. During pre-monsoon or monsoon sessions in Indian weather conditions, winds are often at their highest speed and sometimes generate power far in excess of average capacity of wind farm, and which might treat stability of power system and for frequency and voltage stability of power system. Several times wind power generation has to be cut out and shutdown of wind turbine generation is done to safeguard stability of electric power system. Issue of power and frequency stability in grid or voltage quality maintenance could be resolved with better forecasting of available wind power in real time and monitoring grid parameters. So it requires advanced metering facilities for wind generation and grid parameter monitoring in real time, along with remote terminal units at all strategic positions with automatic computer based data acquisition and supervisory control, and a modern appropriate SCADA system can ensure stability in connected electric power system grid even with severe variation in wind turbine generations, as modern fast acting electronic control can control both real and reactive power in bidirectional positions, and modern double fed induction generator with IGBT based fast switching electronic controller can achieve this. Strengthening of transmission and distribution network is also required for integration of renewable wind and solar energy for grid connectivity. These huge power size wind turbine cluster in wind farm generate enormous amount of energy, and this energy should be transferred to load positions through well established distribution and transmission network. In India, in several states, when initial incentives provided to wind industry for installations are utilized and over for wind industries, the sentiment of wind industry is nowadays turning negative due to curtailment of energy prices and delay in payments by state power distribution companies. Though solar photovoltaic and wind turbine both are variable and infirm source of energy, but hybridization of these two complementary type of solar and wind technologies and appropriate blending with thermal power plant can minimize variability of different power sources, and this will definitely achieve optimum utilization of land, fossil fuel, our transmission and distribution network, and such combined operation of wind, thermal and coal plants definitely increase grid security and stability. Wind energy, as shown by these green highlights, is recognized as world's fastest growing new renewable and environment friendly green energy source. Along with this yellow highlighted solar energy, definitely cost reduction, technology improvement and rapid deployment of wind farms have increased share of wind power in total generation, but it need additional extended efforts of cost reduction and technology improvement to further increase share of wind power in total generation. This video has explained all challenges and problems faced by wind power generation in today's time and opportunities and efforts required to promote this renewable, environmental friendly future energy source of our civilization, wind power generation. Other learning videos of this playlist and other playlist of our channel will enhance your field competency and exam success. We once again thank you all for viewing and promoting our videos.